Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited because I just got something very special. It is a screen accurate Chucky doll. I got this from my friend Garrett Zima, and he worked on the production of the Chucky dolls in Cult of Chucky and also the TV series. And he also worked with Trick or Treat Studio producing the dolls that are for sale, the Good Guy plushes, which is what this is. So he sent it in a suitcase, and he said it was a very special doll. Cool. Well, he's locked up secure. Wow. The detail on this thing is amazing. He looks just like the movies. It's actually kind of scary. I didn't think I'd be that creeped out by it. It's definitely got a creepy vibe. But I made a spot for him here on my bookshelf. And let's see if I can set him up. Wow.
Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play?
I didn't know this thing talked. I didn't think this model talked, but Garrett must have sent me one of the dolls that has a voice box. Oh, there's his autograph. But I can't find the voice box anywhere.
Stop! Stop!
This thing's crazy. So, yeah, I can't find the voice box. I think it might be in the head. Actually, it sounds like he's whispering something. That's kind of creepy. Listen, I don't know if you can hear this. It sounds like he's saying something.
Adidui dembola, sirabuake buse dembela, pate por se dembela, pate por se dembela, pate.
Well, I was gonna put him up, but I think I'm just gonna put him away for the night because I'm not really ready for him to be out yet. I just want to have him like in the suitcase for now. I'll put him out.
We're friends to the end. I wanna play with you.
I want to talk to Garrett first about why this doll is talking to me.
Hey buddy, let me out of this box.
Yeah, it just kind of is creeping me out. I'll put him out, but I don't think I'm ready to have him out just yet. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll let you know what Garrett says. This thing wasn't supposed to talk.
Subscribe, damn it! I'll be back. I always come back, and so should you, you moron.